Have your mornings started to feel different? For many men over 50, those natural erections that once came so easily begin to fade. But here's the truth, it's not always just age. Often, one missing vitamin makes the difference between weak mornings and strong ones. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today I'll reveal the one vitamin that can wake up your morning erections, restore circulation, and bring back confidence. By the end, you'll know what it is, how it works, and the right way to take it. Why morning erections matter. Morning erections are one of the clearest signals of health. They show blood vessels are open, circulation is strong, and hormones are in balance. When they weaken, your body is signaling that something's off, whether testosterone, blood flow, or recovery. The role of vitamin D. The overlooked foundation is vitamin D. Known as the sunshine vitamin, it does much more than support bones. It directly fuels testosterone production, improves blood vessel health, and keeps nerves and muscles firing, all critical for strong erections. When levels are low, testosterone drops, circulation weakens, and mornings fade. But restore vitamin D, and your body regains the foundation for sexual vitality. Why men become deficient? As we age, our skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D. Add more time indoors and deficiency becomes common. The result? Lower testosterone, poorer circulation, and fewer morning erections. How vitamin D works. Vitamin D boosts testosterone production and keeps arteries flexible. That means stronger hormone signals and better blood flow to every part of the body, including where it matters most. The right way to take it. Here's what most men don't realize. Vitamin D is fat-soluble. Take it on an empty stomach and much of it goes unused. Pair it with healthy fats like olive oil, salmon, eggs, or avocado, and your body absorbs it far more effectively. I recommend taking vitamin D in the evening with your main meal. This not only improves absorption, but also supports hormone recovery during sleep. The results? Over time, many men notice mornings become firmer, energy rises, and confidence returns. It's not a magic pill but a foundation, especially when paired with sleep, movement, and hydration. So here's my advice. If you're a man over 50, check your vitamin D. Take it with healthy fats in the evening, and let your body restore what's been missing. This small habit can make a powerful difference in your mornings and your confidence.